In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button take you to the top of the page on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this go to top button right here. So at the moment, if I click it, it doesn't take me to the top. So in order to change that, I'm going to head over to my editor and show you what you need to do to make this button work. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the button to highlight it, and then either at the bottom or at the top of the button, you're going to be presented with a bunch of different settings. Now, the one you want to click on is the link one right here. So click on that and then click on this option right here, which is the top / bottom of page. And then click on the top right here. Then click on done. And then if I head over to preview the website, by the way, it automatically saves, and I click the go to top button, it takes me to the top of the page automatically. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a button take you to the top of the page on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.